Hello, how to solve the following exponential equation. In today's video, we want to deal with exponential equation from basic to a kind of a little bit hard, then starting from step-by-step technique. Then the first question is 3 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 9. Then the second one is 3 raised to power t is equal to 1. The third one is 5 raised to power 3s is equal to 5 raised to power 7s minus 2. And the fourth is 7 raised to power s is equal to 9. We can see that this one has a different base. Then the fifth one is 4 is equal to 8. Solution. At the end of this class, we should be able to solve exponential equation very well. Let's start with the first question here. The first question is 3 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 9. 3 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 9. Then what do we do? This is 3 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square. Then we can see that they have the same base. Then we equate the exponent. S plus 1 is equal to 2. Then s is equal to 2. If you take this one to this side, it becomes minus 1. S is equal to 1. This is the final answer. Now we can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, 3s plus 1 is equal to 9. Then when s equal to 1, this is 3 raised to power 1 plus 1 must be equal to 9. Then this is 3 raised to power 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 9. Then 3 square is 9. This is equal to 9, which is true. Now let's solve the second equation. 3 raised to power t is equal to 1. The second question is 3 raised to power t is equal to 1. And from exponential identity, we know that a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Then s raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, this is 3 raised to power t will be equal to, since a raised to power 0 is equal to 1 and this is 1, this will now be equal to 3 raised to power 0. Now, as you can see, they have the same base. We equate the exponent. Therefore, the exponent is this. T is equal to 0. This is the final answer. You can also check. If you want to check to confirm, you discover that if you put 0 here, so we know that 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Let us solve the third question. The third question is 5 raised to power 3s is equal to 5 raised to power 7s minus 2. Then solution. 5 raised to power 3s is equal to 5 raised to power 7s minus 2. We can see that from beginning they have the same base 5. And we have to equate the exponent. The exponent is 3s is equal to 7x minus 2. This is 3s is equal to 7x minus 2. Let's collect like times. 3s minus 7s is equal to minus 2. 3s minus 7s, this is minus 4s is equal to minus 2. Now let's divide both sides by minus 4. Divided by minus 4. This will cancel this. Minus will cancel minus. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. S is equal to 1 over 2. This is the final answer. Let's solve the fourth question. Question number 4. This is 7 raised to power s is equal to 9. From here, this one has different base. Solution. 7 raised to power s is equal to 9. Since this has different base, we can solve it. Let's solve it using logarithm. Now, let's take the log of both sides. Log 7 raised to power s is equal to log 9. If you have log a raised to power r base m, this is equal to r log a base m. Then this can be written as s log 7 is equal to log 9. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by log 7 divided by log 7 divided by log 7. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 9 over log 7, or S is equal to log 9 base 7. So this is correct. Then we can express further. If you press your calculator, S is equal to log 9 is 0.9542 and log 7 is 0.8451. Therefore, S is equal to, if you divide this by this, we have 1.1292. Now you may also solve this using natural log. That is, from the original equation, we can take the natural log of both sides. Let's take the natural log of both sides. Ln of 7 raised to power s is equal to ln of 9. Now this is s ln of 7 is equal to ln of 9. Let's divide both sides by ln of 7 divided by ln of 7. This will cancel this. S is equal to ln of 9 over ln of 7. Now, if you take the natural log of 9, what is the value of the natural log of 9? This is equal to 2.1972 over ln of 7 is 1.9459. If you divide this by this, s is equal to 1.1292. Then from here, we can see that we got the same value as using log. So let's check to confirm if these two answers are correct. To check, this is 7 raised to power s is equal to 9. Then when s is 1.1292, let's see, we have 7 raised to power 1.1292 must be equal to 9. Now let's see, if you press 7 raised to power 1.1292, this is 9.0 is equal to 9.0, which is true. This is the fifth question. 5a raised to power 2s plus 4 is equal to 8. Solution. This one look very hard, but it's simple. Then we have 5a raised to power 2s plus 4 is equal to 8. Let's divide both sides by 5. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. This will cancel this. A raised to power 2s plus 4 is equal to 8 over 5. Now let's take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of e raised to power 2s plus 4 is equal to natural log of 8 over 5. This, we cancel this. Then we have 2s plus 4 is equal to natural log of 8 over 5. Now let's take this to this side. 2s is equal to natural log of 8 over 5 minus 4. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 over 2 bracket natural log of 8 over 5 minus 4. Then S is equal to 1 over 2 bracket natural log of 8 over 5 is equal to 0.4700 minus 4. S is equal to, if you divide 0.4700 minus 4 by 2, then we have minus 1.7650. This is the final answer. If you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.